With so many property agents out there in London and also the UK, the question is, how do you become one of the best agents in the country? Just to give you a little bit of a background, I started my agency career at the age of 25, and I started as a lettings negotiator in central Camden Town, which is in central London. Regardless of where you are, the same principles apply. And the number one focus for me as an agent was the quality of service that I deliver to my clients, which could include tenants, buyers, landlords, or vendors. Additionally, it's about being a team player. It's about helping your fellow team members in terms of bringing whatever skill set that you have to the table and trying to make a company and an organization run as smoothly as possible and always offering the highest levels of service that you can deliver. Another key ingredient is being passionate about what you do. If you follow your passion, it will feel like you've never worked a day in your life. What does it take to be one of the leading agents in the country? Point number one would be excellent customer service. Always try and deliver the highest levels of customer service. Number two is be knowledgeable about your product, your location, and what your specialized area may be. Some sales negotiators are selling £100,000 houses, whilst others are selling apartments in central London. This one here is number 1 Hyde Park, where the penthouse apartment was sold for £170 million. The key point to note here is that any agent that was selling this apartment would not have started at this level, and we've always got to start with the basics where the fundamentals never change. It's always been about customer service, and over the years what I've noticed is that a lot of agents get complacent and they also have an image that they try and upkeep as opposed to being themselves. What I used to always do as an agent is make sure that I build a good rapport with any of my prospective clients, and I used to always listen to their requirements. What are they actually looking for? Now, there might be a scenario where you don't actually have an apartment, a house, a flat, a property, or a product that suits your clients. However, what's really important is to make sure you always believe in your product or your offering. Never try and sell what you don't believe in. That's always been my mantra, and on the basis of that, I've always established relationships with most of my clients. Another area that you could try and improve on to try and be ahead is having a little bit more product knowledge, knowing a little bit more about the location, how close it is to the tube, trying to pick a scenic route to get to your actual location, trying to demonstrate to your prospectives what the benefits are internally, what the benefits are externally of any property that you're showing. So for example, internally it would be the floor plan, the space. As an example, you've got this 3-bedroom property here. It's got 3 bedrooms, it's got a bathroom, it's got an ensuite, it has an open plan kitchen and lounge. That's your internal features, and anything outside like this terrace or a garden would be an external benefit. Additionally, what you've also got as external features is the location in terms of the street view, how close your neighbors are, and all of these add to the potential sale and closing of a deal. Another way that you could advance in your career, it's not always about being with the same agent. It's about moving sideways and moving upwards in terms of your professional progression. It's all about momentum, keeping it going, always wanting to improve. And the key thing is being passionate about what you do. From the early days, I've always purchased, refurbished and sold properties, and I've held properties as a landlord too. Eventually, I decided to sell my agency, and I'm now fully focused on developing boutique properties in central London, and also providing training to estate agency owners and would-be negotiators. You've always got to be looking to improve and also build on your contact base, whether it's landlords, business owners, vendors. It could be people that are in your industry. The more people that you know, the better it will be for you. If you're a property negotiator and you're in sales or lettings, or you want to start a property career, we're going to be starting a course, and then I'll be sharing my knowledge and my wisdom to benefit and help you guys too. If you found this video informative, please make sure you share, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Monty Nawaz, out.